If you want to permanently delete your Whop account, this video will walk you through the exact steps so you can do it quickly and safely. Before we begin, remember that this action is irreversible, so make sure you really want to remove your profile before you continue. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account menu. In that drop-down menu, you'll see a gear icon directly to the right of your username. Click that gear icon to enter your account management area. Now you should be on your account settings page. Here, look for the option called Account Security and click it. This is where Whop keeps the important account controls, including deletion settings and security options. After that, scroll all the way down until you reach the Danger Zone section. This area is usually placed at the bottom of the page because it contains the most serious account actions. In that section, click Delete Account. At this point, Whop will show you a confirmation box warning you about what happens next. Read the message carefully because once your account is deleted, your profile data and related access will be gone. In the confirmation field, type delete exactly as requested. This step is there to make sure you understand the consequences and really intend to move forward. Once you've entered the word delete, click the final Delete Account button. This will permanently remove your Whop account. Your profile, purchase history, and access keys across Whop communities will be erased, so make sure you've already cancelled any active subscriptions or memberships before finishing this process. If you still have anything active, handle that first because deleting the account does not undo those responsibilities. And that's it. Your Whop account has now been permanently deleted. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.